Earlier on sireportile ngodaba luka Chief Whip womkhonto wesizwe phansi okuwuMmabatho Mokoena Zondi, owu-Chief Whip lapha kwi-National Assembly. Siyazi ukuthi ngaphambilini bekawu-Chief Whip kwi-NCOP, kwi-National Council of Provinces, lapho bekawu-Chief Whip khona. Mayelana nodaba lwakhe le-fraud ne-extortion abekwe lona emangalelwa amanye ama-members omkhonto wesizwe party athi wayidimanda kuwo 50 to 60% esalary yabo, ethi leyo mali leyo izolekelela ukukhokhela iy'ndleko zecala lika former president uJacob Zuma. Ngikhulumile-ke kakhulu ngakho lokho. Umkhonto wesizwe party usithembisile kwathi kuzothi makushaya u-3 ntambama bazokhipha i-statement esizosazisa ukuthi kuqhubakalani. Sikhiphile-ke leso statement sizosifunda, kodwa engikuthola manje ukuthi lolu daba selake la reportwa ngaphakathi kwi-MK Party internally. Kwabakhona i-disciplinary committee lakhulunywa, kwakhona isinqumo esithathwayo sokuthi akaxoshwe eqenjini, kodwa kuzange kwenzeke lokho. UGeneral Mokotedi ubhale nansi ipost kwi-X eyaziwa ngeTwitter, uthi at the time that I was the national prosecutor of MKP, I initiated internal disciplinary process against Mmabatho Brown for fraud and corruption in relation to allegations that she demanded 50% of the salary of 4 parliament employees. 3-member DC panel found her guilty and recommended that she must be expelled from the party. The national officials did not implement the expulsion and she was later promoted. I then resigned from the party. What is the use yokuthi kube nama internal disciplinary processes, kube khona ama internal disciplinary committee, uma ngabe ama recommendations avela kulawo ma committee ezozitshwa enganakwa, noma kuya ngokuthi ubani? Sizokhumbula ukuthi ezinye zezizathu ezenza ukuthi uMary Pardee alose membership yakhe as a member womkhonto wesizwe party kwaba ngukuthi she didn't exhaust all the internal processes, instead wavele wayenkantolo. Ukwabazokhumbula nje ukuthi udaba lika Mary Pardee isizathu sakhe nje kwathiwa she didn't exhaust, akazange alandela ama-internal disciplinary processes, kunalokho waya enkantolo, then she putted the party into disrepute. So uma ngabe lama members kwakudimanda ukuthi awakhiphe 50 to 60% kwisalary yawo, anikeze lo mama lo Chief Whip, sewacomplainile ngaphakathi, yaba khona i-disciplinary committee. Angikholwa mina ukuthi bebengamthola guilty bungapresentwanga ubufakazi. Angikholwa mina ukuthi bekungenzeka lokho, ukuthi bebengamthola guilty nje bungapresentanga ubufakazi. Angikholwa. There was ubufakazi obapresentwa okwenza ukuthi laba ababehleli kwi-panel, njengoba kuthiwa babe u-3 ababehleli kwi-panel bathi impela u-guilty, ngakho-ke she must be expelled. Yingakho umbuzo wami uthi kuya ngokuthi ungubani na? Umbuzo wami unjalo uthi akazange athathelwe inyathelo ngoba kunguye na, kodwa abanye bathathelwe inyathelo. Nangu Mary Pardee walose membership yakhe, isizathu she didn't exhaust the internal disciplinary processes. Ne asifundi lethe evela kumkhonto wesizwe party. Lethi iphume ngomhla ka-28 kuMeyi 2026. Isihloko sithi umkhonto wesizwe party official statement on the arrest of Chief Whip Honorable Mmabatho Mokoena Zondi. The Umkhonto wesizwe Party, MK Party, has noted the arrest of the MK Party's Chief Whip in the National Assembly, Honorable Mabato Mokoena Zondi. According to the Hawks, Honorable Mokoena Zondi has been charged with allegations relating to fraud arising from claims involving the recruitment of parliamentary support staff members between August 2024 and December 2024. The MK Party confirms that the matter was initially reported by the former Treasurer General Menzi Makubane. The MK Party reaffirms the constitutional principle of the presumption of innocence, that no person is guilty until proven so by the court of law. The party confirms that Honorable Mokoena Zondi voluntarily presented herself to the relevant authorities this morning, following which she was formally arrested and charged. Given that the complaints are employees serving within the party's support structures, the MK Party believes it is imperative that all parliamentary, legal and internal organization processes unfold in a fair and transparent manner. The MK Party is currently engaging internally and assessing the full circumstances surrounding the allegations and subsequent charges. We will provide a statement following the officials' meeting with the president. Emveni kokube sevelile-ke enkantolo uthole ibheyili ka-30,000. Icala lakhe lizobuyela enkantolo, I think bheka idate, lizobuyela enkantolo ngomhla ka-18 kuJune 2026. Yena nje ubese Cape Town Magistrate Court lapho khona athola ibheyili ka-30,000, then icala lelapho sponelwa i-18 zikaJune. Engasho kodwa ekuqaleni ngathi ukube bekayimember ye-ANC, njengoba esechajiwe besizokwazi ukuthi kuzo-applya i-step aside rule ebizothi shenxa. Ubezoshenxa nje kungena omunye ahambe icala, lithi lingaphela icala, uma limvunile eliwinile abuyele endaweni yakhe, kodwa uma limlahlile angabe sayithola indawo yakhe. Kodwa ngoba umkhonto wesizwe party angazi constitution yakhona ithini mayelana nomuntu omangalelwe ochajiwe, so sizozwa ngabo ukuthi bathathe siphi isinqumo. Kodwa nje okubuhlungu ukuthi lolu daba selwake labikwa ngaphambilini, kodwa it seems as if i-National High Command didn't care about lama members omkhonto wesizwe party. Yeah, ukuthi angimazi umkhwena wakhe ubani lo sisi. Mhlawumbe umkhwena wakho unesikhundla khona ku-MK Party, ingakho bekungelula ukuthi lo sisi adiscipline. Ama-recommendation athi she must be expelled ngoba wenza into wrong. Awukwazi ukudimanda imali kubantu, hhayi awukwazi egameni leqembu, hhayi akukwazi. Ngihlezi ngizwa abantu besho bethi MK Party yakheke kabi, yakhiwa abantu abebezigebengu belutha la basuka khona. Balutha impela namanje la, bathola ithuba lokulutha. Angisho ukuthi lo mama ukwenzile lokho, kodwa nje ngisho into ehlezi ishiwo ngabantu. Angiyibambe ivideo, bengithi nje angi-update ngoba sikhulumile ngalolu daba emini, futhi ngasho ukuthi izothi MK Party ngasikhipha i-statement bese sikhuluma ngaso ngoba asazi ukuthi bekuzothiwani. Sebesitshelile-ke ukuthi cha batholile, kodwa into abazoyenza bazohlangana i-National High Command, yona le engazange i-act, yona le National High Command engazange i-act ekuqaleni, izohlangana ihlangane nabameli bayo balibuke lolu daba ngoba luthinta abanye abangama-staff members no-chief whip womkhonto wesizwe party. Ngathi ngiyazisa eParliament kuyothiwa kancane kancane, uma sekuthiwa kunomunye u-chief whip balo babadelela ngakho. Libuyela kuyo futhi le National High Command. Sho njalo General Mokotedi wathi yena vele waresign uma ebona ukuthi hawu lo muntu lo otholakala esephutheni useyapromote, wavele nje waresign, wabona ukuthi ayikho lento. Asiyibambe ke video ngizwe ukuphala kwakho kodwa ku comment section. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.